In this video we will show you how to make your favorite World Cup moments, like this.
Welcome to Khalifa International Stadium here in Doha. The first match in Group E is upon us as four-time winners Germany take on Japan. Useful ball that. It is an equaliser for Japan.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Wondershare Filmstock YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get updates. So let's get started. To create your favorite World Cup moments video, first open any browser of your choice. I open Google Chrome. I search here filmstock.wondershare.com. After searching it, log in with your account here. Now we have to download some effects packs from this website. The first effect pack I search here is called World Cup Broadcast Pack. All the effects packs I use in this video are compatible with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. The next effect I'm going to download is called World Cup Scoreboard. The next effect I download is called MG Overlays Pack. I also download this pack. And the last pack that I use in this video is called Elemental Energy Pack. Also download this pack. So you can see that I downloaded these 4 effects. After downloading these 4 effects, open your Filmora video editor. First of all, I want to show you all the packs in Filmora which I have downloaded from filmstock.wondershare.com website. Go to the Titles tab and click on it. Here in the Filmstock section you will find those packs. These are all titles of World Cup Broadcast Pack. These are all titles of World Cup Scoreboard Pack. Go to Transitions tab and click on it. Here under the Filmstock tab you will find 3 transitions of the World Cup Broadcast Pack. Go to Effects and click on it. Here also you will find all overlays effects of MG Overlays Pack and World Cup Broadcast Pack under Filmstock tab. Go to the Elements tab. Here all elements of Elemental Energy Pack and World Cup Broadcast Pack will be present in Filmstock tab. Now I'm going to show you how you can create your favorite World Cup moments with all these packs. For this, go to the Titles tab and click on it. But before that I have to set up my project. Click Project Settings. Then click Change Project Aspect Ratio. I keep the aspect ratio 9:16 portrait. I keep the frame rate at 30 FPS. And set the resolution to 1080 by 1920. OK. There are many titles within titles. You can use any title you want by dragging and dropping it on the timeline. From here I drag and drop the title onto the timeline. To edit it, I double-click on the title. First we need to increase the size of this title. I increase the size of this title by scaling inside the title group controller. To edit the title text, select the text. And in Edit section you can write anything according to your title. I leave this title on the same text. I go to the media. Here are 2 World Cup short videos in my media. I drag and drop it onto the timeline. The first video I have is a view from outside the stadium.
Welcome to Khalifa International Stadium here in Doha. The first match in Group E is upon us as four-time winners Germany take on Japan.
And the second video I drag, I have moments of goals and celebrations.
Useful ball that. It is an equaliser for Japan.
Again I go to the titles. From here I drag and drop another title onto the timeline.
Welcome to Khalifa International Stadium.
I edit this title. Here I write the stadium name inside it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Okay.
Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
The next title I drag and drop is this one.
Savannah.
I edit this title. Adjust its position.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride.
In it I write the names of both the teams. Here one team name I write as Germany, and the other team name I write as Japan. In this title I have to add one more thing. Go to the Elements tab and click on it. Here in the World Cup broadcast pack I drag and drop the flags of both countries on the timeline.
Lions gonna come.
Adjust both flags above the title.
Have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
So you can see how perfect I have both flags look with the title. Now I want to add some elements from the Elemental Energy pack at this point in the video. For example, I drag and drop this element into the track above the timeline. Double click on this element and go to the Animation tab and click on it, and then click on Customize section. Apply this element to the back of this player. Or if you want, you can also apply it through a motion tracking tool.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world.
So it will play the track on top of the player like this. Okay. The next element I drag and drop is this. This I will apply over the football via keyframe animation. Set its element size and position to fit your object in your video. I drag and drop the same element again in the top track. I also track this element in the video through the animation above the football. And in the same way I applied another element to it. I track the various elements with keyframe animation over the football. I drag and drop whatever elements I like, and apply it through keyframe animation. The process of applying it is the same, you can get an idea of which element to apply where. You will also understand how keyframes do animation.
Was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you.
You know, I drag and drop elements from the same pack onto the timeline that fit. So you can see that from this pack I dropped all the elements I wanted. And then I applied it through keyframe animations. Again, I go to the Titles tab and click on it. From this scoreboard pack I drag the title onto the timeline. So you can see that its size is small. I make it bigger. The line space of this title is not properly adjusted. Within the text editing section I reduce its line spacing, i.e. adjust it. And also you can edit the text according to your own. And so I drag and drop another title onto the timeline. And edit it. This is the same title that I added at the start of this video. And now some important things I want to show you. The first of these is transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and click on it. Here you will find 3 transitions from the World Cup broadcast pack. Drag and drop these 3 translations between your favorite World Cup moments. I really like these 3 transitions. I drag these transitions between clips on the timeline wherever I need to drag them. After adding transitions, another trick I want to show you is to add the up-down effect during the goal. For this you have to split the video into 2 parts during the goal, where the football moves into the net. Then after that, go to Effects tab and click on it. Here you have to search for an effect. The name of this effect is up-down. Drop the effect onto your goal clip that you split. So this effect will work something like this. Another trick I want to give you is to add overlays effects. You will find the overlays of the pack you downloaded, i.e. World Cup Broadcast Pack and MG Overlays Pack here. Drag and drop your favorite overlays from these packs into your video. You can apply it by dragging and dropping it in the top track.
Is upon us as 4-time winners Germany take on Japan. Useful ball next. It is an equalizer for Japan.
After adding the overlays effects, the last thing I will add is the sound effects. I have some sound effects in this folder on my computer. I import it into Filmora Media. The free download link of all these effects is in the description. These sound effects I add to the background with transitions, elements and up-down effects. You can hear it, that I'll drag and drop it wherever the sound effects fit.
Welcome to Khalifa International Stadium. Welcome to Khalifa International Stadium here in Doha. The first match in Group E is...
Also, I add the sound effect of the World Cup case intro. And finally, I add the background music. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, plus subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. But don't leave without sharing this video and leave your comment below. Bye.
As 4-time winners Germany take on Japan. Useful ball that.